Your whole life you make plans. Plans to find that someone special and plans to work toward retirement.
Then something unexpected happens that could ruin it all. Now what's your plan? Call Michaels and Smolak today. We have a game plan, the better game plan.
Good Saturday evening. I'm First Alert meteorologist Mike Brookins. I hope you enjoyed the snowfall. Finally getting into the snow business here in Syracuse. I know we've seen quite a bit up towards the Tug Hill, the hills to the south and southeast as well in the last several weeks. But it's been a long time coming here in Syracuse, getting our first 1-inch amount or greater, and it was exactly at 1 inch on this Saturday, December 15th. We only had to go another 5 days, today the 17th. We only had to go to the 22nd, and we would have seen the latest ever for seeing 1 inch of snowfall. So way behind already with our seasonal total at 1.7. Numbers for the day look pretty typical, but that 37 was actually at midnight. We started off the day near 30 and fell through the 20s and into the teens now as we head into the evening. Let's take a look at the snowfall to date for this winter. The wintertime season technically includes the fall and spring, and this year we're at 1.7 inches now. Typically, we're at 27 inches, and last year at this point, we're 70 inches greater than right now at 71.7 inches. It was a record December snowfall last year, and this year, if it continues at this level, it could be close to the record minimum for snowfall. Overnight isolated flurries, it will be cold. There'll be little additional accumulation, if anything. Temperatures in some spots could be down into the single digits. And still a chill in the air for Sunday, seasonable chill, about 5 degrees below average. But at least we won't have very much wind, and it will be dry with a little bit more sunshine, actually, with a mixture of sunshine and clouds. High pressure will be building into the north, giving us a quiet day. Then the system comes back at us later Monday afternoon. It could be warm enough, so it could be rain or snow showers. And really looking on right through the next 7 days, right on through, let's say, at least Christmas Eve, which is next Saturday. No big storms in sight. No major lake effect, no East Coast storms. We will see a couple of chances for minor accumulation, though, so we could be doing some shoveling in spots. Here's the satellite radar, and we've got a lot of clear sky over Ontario and Quebec thanks to this area of high pressure that's trying to build in. We still have some lake effect cloudiness southeast of Lake Ontario with the northwesterly flow, but that's going to break down as we go through the evening, and there won't be much left. Winds become light. There could be some lake effect cloudiness and flurries right along the Lake Ontario shoreline, but those are going to be isolated. So mainly dry at 2 o'clock in the morning and cold. Single digits right underneath that high pressure over the Adirondacks will make it into the lower teens in Syracuse. And with those lake effect clouds right along the shoreline, there could be temperatures closer to 20 degrees, but definitely a cold start to the day. Below average by 5 to 10 degrees, and during the day still remaining chilly, but we'll get sunshine blending with clouds, and as this warm front moves through, it'll help us get into the 30s, and then that wind picks up out of the south-southeast tomorrow night, so not as cold, and we'll make it into the 40s come Monday. But there you go. High temperature about 31 coming up on Sunday, with those 40s waiting in the wings from Chicago to Lexington, Kentucky. Our forecast for tonight, talking about that cold 14. I would expect areas like Old Forge to Saranac Lake to be in the middle single digits tonight, with skies turning mainly clear there. Here in Syracuse, a variably cloudy sky, partly to mostly cloudy, and we will find a threat for a flurry or two right along the Lake Ontario shoreline, but no accumulation from that snow. Sunshine blends with clouds through the morning hours, more the same for the afternoon. Nice dry day. Temperatures a little bit better than where we were in the middle 20s during the afternoon on Saturday, 31, but that's still below average. We go above average on Monday, up to 45. We'll find mostly cloudy skies and some rain and snow showers developing in the afternoon. Going into Tuesday, dry during the day. By Tuesday evening, some snow showers and likely seeing some minor accumulation of snow Tuesday evening. Then periods of mainly light rain on Wednesday, about 40 degrees there. Typical temperatures late in the week.